Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this is not in line with the makeup, but for today's video we will do a tutorial on how to do this budget-friendly DIY ring light. If you wanna know how I did this, just keep on watching. So these are the 3 items that you need. This is the first item that you need. A circular lamp with a lamp holder with a 32 watts light. Anything like this will do. Its price is for only 269.75 pesos. This will serve as your ring light itself. This is the next thing that you need. A keyless current top extender. And this retail for only 39.75 pesos. And last but not the least, you need to have this bendable desk lamp. This will serve as the stand for your ring light itself. And this retails for only 349.75 pesos. So first thing that you need to do is just put the extender into the lamp, then twist until you feel it's now ready. Next is the same application that you do with the extender. Just put the circular lamp into the extender. And now it's done! This is the final output. And now, you are ready to take a selfie to your own ring light. I hope you guys find it very helpful. And this will end our video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!